Introducing the all-in-one Selfie Stick Tripod, the perfect companion for capturing every moment. This extendable and portable selfie stick features a wireless remote, making it easy to snap photos or record videos from a distance. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro, and Galaxy Note 10, S20, S10, as well as OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Whether you're vlogging, taking selfies, or group shots, this versatile tool has you covered. Check out the Travel Inspira Luggage Scale, a must-have for any traveler. This portable digital scale makes it easy to weigh your baggage on the go, ensuring you're never caught off guard by airline weight limits. With a durable design and rubber paint finish, it can handle up to 110 pounds. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Perfect for stress-free travel. Introducing the 18-pack travel bottles for toiletries, your ultimate travel essentials. These TSA-approved silicone containers are perfect for carrying your shampoo, conditioner, lotions, and more. Designed to be leak-proof and refillable, they ensure your toiletries stay secure and mess-free in your luggage. Whether you're going on a short trip or a long vacation, these travel-sized bottles are a must-have for convenient and hassle-free packing. Meet the Fashion Portable Handheld Garment Steamer, your go-to solution for wrinkle-free clothes on the go. Weighing just 0.8 pounds, this lightweight steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering 10 minutes of continuous steam. Whether you're at home or traveling, this mini steam iron is perfect for quickly refreshing your clothes, keeping you looking sharp and polished wherever you are. Introducing the MLVOC Travel Pillow, made from 100% pure memory foam for ultimate neck support. This pillow features a comfortable and breathable cover that's also machine washable, ensuring easy care. The kit includes 3D contoured eye masks, earplugs, and a luxury travel bag, making it the perfect companion for airplane travel or long trips. Designed for comfort and convenience, this travel pillow helps you rest and relax, no matter where your journey takes you.